Hey guys, it's Jaren with Patrick Adair Supplies. As you can see, we're in a new shop. It's still a work in progress, and you guys will see the changes over the next couple of months. But for today, we are doing the November sub box, so let's get into that.
Every month, we dive into epic tutorials that break down everything you need to know to make awesome rings with your monthly sub box. We'll cover the tools, the materials, and techniques you need to turn your box into a one-of-a-kind masterpiece. Whether you're a first-timer or a pro, you're in the right place.
So in this month's sub box, we have our Galaxy Core Opal, our purple glow powder, our red neon glow powder, our unique dual channel carbon fiber blank, MP vial, crimson pigment, iris pigment, and as well a bonus item, a ring mandrel. What's really nice about this month's sub box is that you can customize it as you want. We sent you multiple colors. But for mine today, I really enjoyed the purple color as the backdrop, and so I'm using that today. I used 1 part pigment with 3 parts purple glow powder. As always, to create nice depth that I think goes so well with our opal, I am doing a base layer to start out with. And I'm just really making sure here that I fully coat the bottom of the ring blank. Next, I'm just going to add our Galaxy Core Opal. The size that we send you is perfectly fine in this case, but I like to crush it up a little bit to give it variation of sizes within it, but that's totally up to you. And of course, we don't want to waste our opal, and so I had to put a little box underneath to catch all the excess. Now, before doing our clear coats, I'm just going to do a quick spritz of accelerator to lock in everything so it doesn't fall out. And then from there, we're just going to add multiple layers of CA adhesive to create a nice clear coat on top. Our next step is to Dremel down the excess opal. And so I'm using a 120 grit sanding drum, especially because the opal is really soft and so it's pretty easy to Dremel down. And you want to be really careful with these carbon fiber ring blanks. If you accidentally nick them, they can easily Dremel down further than you would want. And so I'm using 120. You can go even higher than that if you want to take it even slower, but you just want to be careful with this one. Also guys, please use proper PPE, especially with carbon fiber. It's kind of toxic to breathe, and so I'm wearing a respirator, I'm wearing safety glasses, gloves. I do this for every ring, but especially with this one, since it's carbon fiber, you don't want to be breathing this in. So also, be in a ventilated area. Just take the proper safety precautions and be safe out there. Alright, now I'm just going to smooth this guy out a little bit. I'm using 220 grit sandpaper to remove all the imperfections that was created from the Dremel. Again, since this is carbon fiber, it's really soft, and so you can very easily remove those bevels if you're not careful, or you can round it off if you want to. I have been doing this for many years now, and I still make mistakes. I realized here I accidentally glued the ring to the ring mandrel. Thank goodness that I had a piece of electrical tape around the ring mandrel. This kind of protects the ring on the inside, and as well kind of protects you if you ever accidentally do this. This isn't the first time that I've done this, and so I'm going to show you how to fix that. So here I'm using something called a Scotch-Brite wheel. It's something that you can attach to your Dremel, and it works fantastic with removing imperfections, especially on carbon fiber. It's abrasive enough to remove the electrical tape, but it's not so abrasive to where it's going to completely remove material sizing up your ring. And hey, if you guys are interested in seeing how to size up a ring, let me know in the comments. Now with that out of the way, let's get into our sanding. I'm using our sandpaper roll kit here that you can find on our website. They are pre-cut to the width that you typically want, and they're separated into different grits. All you gotta do is pull and cut to the length that you want. All we gotta do now is go through our sanding steps, and then we polish. For sanding, I always wet sand, especially with materials like carbon fiber. There's just a lot of excess material removed during the sanding process, and you don't want that excess material in between your sandpaper, especially on the higher grits. It's just going to ruin your finish. Now, carbon fiber, it is my favorite material to work with rings. I think it just has so many great qualities in a ring that I would want. And personally, my wedding ring has carbon fiber in it. Shout out in the comments if you saw that video, by the way. The reason why I decided to put in my wedding ring personally is because of the material properties. It's, for example, stronger than steel, it's lighter than aluminum, temperature resistant, corrosive proof, low thermal expansion, so it's not going to change size on you, and it's just a beautiful material when it's finished. There's a reason why it's used in things like supercars, F1 cars, fighter jets. SpaceX uses it in their rockets. It's just such an amazing material. And you'll see that here now when we're finishing it. For polishing, I'm just using step 1, step 2 polish. That's all you really need to get beautiful shine on this. And there you go, we got our finished ring. I just love the finish on carbon fiber, it's always just so good. Also, the glow on this thing is great. Purple glow is always just so bright and vibrant. So again, the version that I did today was the purple backdrop, but as well off camera I decided to do the red version just so you guys can see what that looks like. If you guys decide to do both versions, since it's a dual channel, I would love to see that on our Facebook page if you guys want to post it there. Please like and comment in this video, and that's all I have for you today, guys. I'll see you guys next time.